Welcome to yet another travel day. I guess you guys really enjoy our travel days, so we are gonna try and film more of these. We are flying to our last Southeast Asia country, which is Malaysia. World's tallest tower. Tick.
It's not
Sorry,
world's
world's,
tallest tower.
world's tallest twin towers.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Bah.
This will be the last time we will be carrying this heavy luggage because in Malaysia we are changing our luggage to 7 kg.
When we landed in Phuket, it was a night time, so we decided to take a taxi to our Airbnb, and it cost us 900 baht. So when we did that, we were actually thinking how we can save a bit of money when we leave Phuket, and we found out about this bus. So it goes through all the popular beach area and it takes you to the airport, and the cost is 200 bahts for both of us. Four hours again.
We already checked in our luggage 4 hours early. That's why it's saying 4 hours again.
I think they have a good coffee because you can smell good coffee.
I don't know, for some reason every time we come to a lounge we are always hungry. And or we need coffee or something, and we are always tired, and as soon as we come to lounge we eat something, we drink coffee, and we are like new.
We don't stay for long in one lounge. It's really difficult to do like proper work. So I decided to use this time to give reviews to all the places that we've been to. Like personally, because this is a new country, we don't know anything, I highly rely on Google reviews. So it made me think that I should do the same so that the next traveler can find some useful information from my Google review. Man, sushi is looking so delicious.
This is why we came here.
My mom watches our videos, and one thing she's always concerned about is what we are eating. So just for her sake, I'm eating some vegetables as well, so I can have a balanced diet.
With this lounge they also give us complimentary 15-minute of head and neck massage, so Ami is getting one. How was it?
Very good. She massages in 2 days.
Why are you getting your accent out?
I didn't realize. I think I'm way too relaxed. As always, Sagar let me stay for too long. Now we have to run because boarding is starting in 7 minutes. And we have 10 minutes walk to our gate.
Did you want to say something?
We are on time. Actually, a bit early.
We are ahead.
Yeah.
Because we checked in early, they gave us an extra legroom seat. For some reason, I don't know, but it's Huge.
Yeah, and because of that, we got a priority check-in.
Oh yeah, as well.
Can't complain.
I guess it's our lucky day.
We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt.
So if you are coming to Malaysia, make sure you got Malaysian arrival digital card. You can do it online. If you don't do it, you have to wait in a line because they provide you with the computer and Wi-Fi, and you have to do it on the spot.
We had a quick look, and there are a couple of ways to go to the Kuala Lumpur city center where we are gonna stay. And we looked at prices and stuff, and we found these cheap deal through trip.com, and we are taking taxi. I mean, wherever we go, we compare the prices, and if it is a night time, then we just spend on taxi. But if it is a daytime like this, we compare prices, and taxi was actually coming like $8 expensive, and we thought we might as well just spend that $8 on convenience this time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Have a nice evening. What is this, babe? Wow, this Airbnb is something else, man. Oh, this is. Oh, that's right. This is the first time I'm seeing Sagar being so impatient.
Because I want to see the flat. I want to see the apartment there.
Okay. Oh my god. Dude, this is so huge.
Turn on the light first, please, so I can see.
Oh my god. What in the world this is? Oh my god, Sunny, you are not gonna believe what I'm seeing right now. What is this? Oh my god, the balcony is so big.
Oh my god, really? It's big.
My mind is numb.
How much we paid for it, babe?
This is 40 bucks. 40 bucks. So, we are gonna catch sunset, but we have got an awesome pool on the 37th floor of one of these buildings, and we cannot wait to show you the view.